To create a learning module, navigate to the course content page and select the Add icon. Click Create, and from the course content items list, select Learning Module. From here, a screen will appear where you can adjust some of the settings. First thing, you're going to want to rename the learning module from the default to something that makes sense for your course. Once you have updated the name of the learning module, you can move on to the next settings, including choosing the visibility to students. Here you can hide or make the item visible to students now. You can also add a description of the learning module. This setting is optional. From here you can select to advance the learning module in sequence, which means that students would be able to access the content item to item in order. We also have the option to add an image for the learning module. If this item was purely decorative and really had no meaning, I would select Mark this image as decorative. In this case, I am going to add an alternative text description, a very simple one here. So anyone who's accessing the course using a screen reader or other assistive technology would understand what that image is. Once we navigate back to the course content page, I can move the item around. So you can see here I can actually switch the rotation of the way the learning modules appear in case I accidentally added that not in the correct order. Once again, if I come back here and I select the newly created learning module, an Add icon where it will appear, and I can select items to add into the newly created learning module. Once you have created your new learning module, you can actually edit some of those settings we went through by coming to these three dots and selecting Edit and updating any of the settings here.
We hope this has been a helpful introduction to some of Blackboard Ultra's tools. If you're an instructor who needs support in Ultra, contact UAA's instructional design team at UAA_design@alaska.edu. If you're a student who needs support in Ultra, contact the UAA Technical Support Center by calling 907-786-4646 or emailing uaa.techsupport@alaska.edu.